Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to change this color of your kratos or atreus in God of War Ragnarök. So this is what I'm going to explain on this video. So how to change this color. So for that, right, what you need to do is you need to go to this settings. Okay, first I will quit this game. So on this home screen or this accessibility presets, you need to go to settings. You can choose either. So I'm going to choose the settings. So here we need to go to this accessibility. So just scroll down. So we need to reach this color. So here you need to come to this high contrast display. So for example, if you change this default to all, right, so everything is turned off. So here you can see this hero color, atreus, boss, enemy, NPC color, target color, interact color, hazard color, travel cell, and background. So I'm going to choose this hero color. Of course, it's a kratos. So I'm going to choose as blue or red, yellow. I'm going to choose that. And here I'm going to choose this atreus as green. So whatever, right, you can change that here. You can change whatever you want. It's automatically saved. Once you change it, right, automatically it will be saved. Okay, so I'm being back. So I'm going to continue any of these games. So I'm going to open this game. So now you can see this all colors as being changed here. Super cool, right?
I might be able to get up there if you help me.
Super cool. So everything is changed here. This is the way you can change the color of kratos or atreus. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in many forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.